How's that?
This is a spooky story.
Yeah.
All right, so this was gonna be like a regular like point of view video, just driving video, but it turned into a pretty eventful day. So first we pulled into, I actually think this might be on video of the dude.
Oh, pulling up to
Yeah.
us?
So we pull into our normal parking lot and there was a sketchy dude. He was like, he seemed aggravated about something. He like started slamming the doors in his car and asked if we were in the military and all this stuff. And he ended up like going back to his car into his driver's seat and then immediately coming back and holding a hand behind his back like he had a weapon or a gun or something, and he started walking towards our cars like really sketchy and slow. So yeah, we dipped, and then we saw a security guard, and I'm pretty sure he called the cops, so hopefully he actually did that.
And he said that that guy's kind of scared off another guy too, prior to us.
And then we have one of the S2000s that we think hopefully might have not blown up, or might just be a head gasket. I don't know. So we're coming to the end and we saw this big white puff of smoke, and yeah, it won't start now, and it sounds like it's down on compression in one of the cylinders. So that's cool. So yeah, it's been a pretty eventful day.
Yeah, and now we're just waiting for a buddy of mine to bring his truck, and he has a little trailer to tow this thing out of here. So how are we gonna spend $400 or $500 on a tow truck? So yeah, so now we're just healed here in the middle of nowhere with just a baton for defense.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just hanging out.
Yep. So that's why I just wanted to film this little section, because we were bored. And yeah.
Nice.
Anything you want to say about your car? Hopefully it's not blown up, right?
Yeah, hopefully I don't have to empty my bank account to fix it.
Yeah. Actually, a new motor from Honda for these isn't like terrible if you have to get a whole new one, but I don't think so. It's probably just head gasket.
I think they're like 5Gs, I think, for the long block.
That's really not bad.
It's not terrible for something brand new, but it's 5Gs.
Yeah. So yeah.
Mike is like, hey, fucking man, it's 5Gs, man, it's okay.
Hopefully it's not bad.
Yeah, we'll see.
But in other news, the block is actually done on the Corvette. Should be getting it back next week. I feel like I'm saying that in every video, but now it's finally at the original machine shop. They're boring out the cylinders and putting the bigger pistons in, and then we should be good to go. And then I ordered the parts for my transmission. It was like about $1,000. I had to get new 6 gear. That was bad. Yeah, fun stuff. So stay tuned for the next one. Gonna be a lot of building stuff for the other car.
Nice.
Later, guys.